Welcome for a new video which is all about how to make your going to sleep routine easier. And most of all, we're taking so much tiredness into our beds, but when we do that, all these exhaustions will actually keep us awake. So for that reason, I recommend you do a restorative yoga practice just before going to sleep. And you can use exactly this video to do that. So what you will need is a wall, a yoga mat or anything where you can lie comfortable on. And then you may also want to use a belt. If you don't have a belt, you can also use a scarf, because this is what we put around the legs so that you can relax easier. So now lie down on your back. So stay fairly close to the wall, but if you're not all the way close because the hamstrings being tight, that's fine, it's totally okay. Then straighten the legs up on the wall. And now I'm going to help Salah here to put the belt around you. Of course, at home have to do this yourself. And when you place it, so watch that first, place it around the thighs so that you have it between the knee and the hips, but not too tight either. So you're not going to feel like squeezing the legs together. Like I said, you can come all the way close to the wall if that's comfortable. And if it's not comfortable, just stay a little bit away from the wall. And then place your arms behind you with your left hand resting in your right. So see that you settle yourself into this position. So if you need to take some time, you can always pause the video and get everything you need. And then once you are in the position, close your eyes. Now take a deep inhalation and exhale completely. Release the weight of your body down into the earth. Feel your back relaxing. And by the way, if your arms behind your head feel uncomfortable because of some shoulder tension, just bring them out to the sides, but always bring the palms facing the ceiling so you feel open. Now imagine a downward flow from your legs, just like a waterfall running down a mountain. Each time you hear yourself exhaling, feel that downward flow. And then feel your abdomen. Feel it very soft, like a quiet lake. So exhaling down the legs and inhale into the quietness of your abdomen. By visualizing and feeling that flow, your nervous system starts to relax. Your body starts to remove tensions which have been built up throughout the day. Allow your body to let go. Breath by breath, down the legs, into a quiet lake. Feel your abdomen, the quietness of this lake. Continue visualizing, feeling the downward motion. And for the next few minutes, about 2 minutes, I will be quiet. slowly return to feeling your body and the position you're in. Notice how you feel. And then bend your knees very slowly and remove the belt you have around your legs or the scarf. Just take it out to the side and then little by little move back away from the wall so that you're able to straighten your legs, but don't straighten them yet. Just measure if you need to see how far you are away from the wall. So check that you're in the middle of the wall, keep the knees bent for a moment. So move a little bit to your left. And now take your buttock flesh and sweep it forward with your hands. So let's do the adjustment. Now place it down and then straighten your legs. Make sure your feet are not wider than the hips. Just relax the legs and then hug yourself and pull the shoulder blades apart and down. Let your arms rest on your sides with the palms facing the ceiling. And then go back into that state of relaxation. Go back into a feeling of letting go everything which has been keeping you alert and busy today. Feel the floor underneath you. Feel your whole body becoming liquid. Liquid always spreads, so feel yourself spreading on the ground. Allow yourself to fall deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. Relax. So for another 2 minutes, I'll be quiet. Take that time and relax. Slowly come Come back to feel your body on the ground. If you have the need to stay longer, then just stay. Let the video run to the end. Stay as long as you feel you need to. If you are ready to move, slowly bend your legs one at a time. And then take your right arm overhead and roll to the right. Stay on your side for a moment. Keeping your eyes closed, come up into a seated position. And sit for a moment and feel. Notice if you are able to let go of the day, ready to sleep. Open your eyes. I wish you a good night. Thank you. Thank you.